Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear. Driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear. Like an outlaw on the run, dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no, hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Moon's Vanity. Today's video is all about this look right here. So I've tried to create this rose gold makeup look for the upcoming festive season. You can also create this look as a wedding guest or for any kind of party. This makeup look will go with your sari as well as your salwar suit. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. Before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also press on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload new video on YouTube. So without further any ado, let's get started with the video. I have already done my eyebrows and now I am taking the PAC Studio Derma Concealer, and this is in the shade B64. I've taken a flat brush and now I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows. After that I'm also using the same concealer on my eyelid. It will just define my eyebrows better, and after that I'm just blending it with my fingers. I'm doing the same thing with my other eye. After that I am applying Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder to set my concealer. For eyeshadow I am taking the Must Have palette from Beauty Glazed and taking the dark pink shadow from the palette and applying it on my crease with my PAC 204 brush. I am just applying it on my crease line so that it intensify my crease area. After that I am taking a fluffy blending brush from Pro Arte and just blending the dark pink shadow with a very light brown shade. Now taking a flat brush to intensify the dark pink color. I am taking the dark pink shadow to the inner and outer corner of my eye. Again blending everything together. After that I am taking the Sigma Duo Fiber brush and applying the dark pink shadow on the crease of my eyes. It's a very good brush to apply the crease color. Next, from the Sivana Colors eyeshadow palette, I am taking a rose gold color and just applying it on the center of my eyelid with a flat eye brush. And now again intensifying the dark pink shadow and just creating kind of a halo smoky eyes or just a spotlight eye makeup look. Now blending everything together with the blending brush. After that taking the Nykaa highlighter and just highlighting the brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. Then taking an eyelash curler and curling up my lashes. After that using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Off camera I have also done my other eye and then applied some falsies. For face makeup, first I am using the L'Oreal Base Magique Primer and just applying it on my face. For concealer, I am using the L'Oreal True Match Concealer and applying it under my eyes and all the spots and blemishes that are going on my face. Then I am blending the concealer with the Wet Beauty Blender. For foundation, I am applying the PAC HD foundation. It's a high coverage foundation and I'm in the shade 2.3. I absolutely love this foundation. I'm applying the foundation with the wet sponge. For compact, I am applying the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Compact Powder to set my foundation and the concealer. For face, I am going with the Sugar Cosmetics Face Palette in the shade Subtle Summit, and I am using a PAC contouring brush and using the contour powder from the palette and applying the contour shade on the hollows of my cheeks. After that, I'm taking the blush from the same palette and applying on the apple of my cheeks. Smile when you're applying your blush. For nose contouring, I'm taking the same contour shade and applying the contour powder on my nose. Then comes the highlighter. I have taken a fan brush and applying the champagne gold highlighter on the high points of my face, like on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, the cupid bow, and all the usual areas. For lipstick, I'm going with the Lakme 925 Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Fuchsia Suede. It's a beautiful fuchsia color which will complement this rose gold makeup look. At last, I'm applying the L'Oreal setting spray to set my makeup together. And we are done! That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share my video with your friends and family and be a member of this vanity fam. So I'll be coming up with more videos super soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.